How to unarchive a story on Instagram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can unarchive a story in Snapchat. Now before we begin with that, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now, without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you will need to update your Insta to the latest version. For that, you can open up your App Store. On your App Store, simply head over to the search bar and search for Instagram. Then, if you see an update button like this, tap on Update and update your app. After you've updated your app, you can then go back. Then open up your Instagram. After you're here, you can check out your story. Now, to archive a story, tap on the three dots on the bottom here. Tap on the bottom right corner, that is three dots. Then you'll find the archive option. Tap on archive. After you've archived your story, you can again find it really easily. Head over to your profile on the bottom right. Tap on the three lines on the top right. Then after you're here, you can find your archive under how you use Instagram. Tap on it. And after that, you can see your archived story right now. So this is the one that we just did. So if I tap on three dots again on the more option, you will not find an option that basically gives you an unarchive option. But what you can do is tap on the share button. Let me show you the share button again. Tap on the share button right there. And you can remove the date if you want. Simply zoom in to fill out the empty spaces. And you can add it to your story again. Now if I head back here, go to my home, and there you can see my story getting uploaded. Open that up. And there you can see from archive, and yeah, that's how you unarchive a story on Instagram. Thanks for watching. That's it for today. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.